In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust margins in Google Docs. Margins are the blank space around the edges of your page. Setting them correctly helps your document look professional and ensures nothing gets cut off when you print or export to PDF. Here's the easiest way to do it inside Google Docs. Start in your document and open the File menu in the top left. From there, choose Page Setup. This opens a small window where you can control how the page is laid out. You'll see options like orientation and paper size, and near the bottom, you'll find the margins section with 4 fields: top, bottom, left, and right. Click into each box and type the exact measurement you want. If your document needs more room side to side, reduce the left and right margins slightly. If you need to fit more lines per page, consider adjusting the top and bottom. Many documents use 1-inch margins, but you can adapt that to your needs and to any formatting guidelines you're following. Keep in mind that extremely small margins might not print correctly on some printers, so leaving a little buffer is a good idea. When you're satisfied, apply your changes to update the entire document. There's also a quick visual method for the left and right margins. Look at the ruler at the top of your document. The white area represents the page content, and the light gray zones represent the margins. Move your cursor to the boundary between the white and gray on the left or right until it turns into a double-sided arrow, then click and drag to widen or narrow the margin. Make small adjustments and watch how your text reflows. A helpful tip here: the blue triangles and rectangle on the ruler control paragraph indentation, not margins. If you drag those, you'll shift where a paragraph starts, but the page margin won't change. To adjust actual margins, drag only the white-gray boundary. Use whichever method you find more comfortable: page setup for precise numbers, or the ruler for quick visual tweaks. After adjusting, skim a few pages to confirm your headings, images, and page breaks still look clean, and make any fine-tuning you need. That's all it takes to control margins in Google Docs and keep your document looking polished.